Skills is a core part of the Cyber Innovation Hub. Without skills, we can't generate new businesses, we can't fill open roles and vacancies, and we can't attract other industries to come and move here and relocate in Wales. Skills is key. The shortage of skills is a real concern for the sector, all sectors. So medicine, financial technologies, manufacturing, keeping the lights on, keeping energy systems running, keeping transportation systems moving. These are all moving towards a digital era, and it's a real concern that they can't find people to secure these systems.
If we want to have a healthy cybersecurity ecosystem in the region and nationally, we really need to address the problem with the lack of skills.
We've addressed this by working with industry providers to undertake a skills gap analysis, so industry can work with us and tell us what we need to provide to upskill the Welsh ecosystem.
We can then take the requirements from the company and develop the courses which will directly address the needs of that company, which means that all participants who complete the program, they will have the skills which are directly relevant to the needs of the company.
We are putting together an exciting programme of CPD opportunities, a bespoke, wide range of courses that not only cover your core traditional cybersecurity, more technical roles, but we're recognising the opportunity to cross-skill because cyber impacts absolutely every sector in our industry.